Hello, good morning, students. Myself, Dr. Anil Kumar Osha, Associate Professor of Physics, Government College, Hathi. Today, we are discussing about numbering system in computers. First, we should know that in computers, the binary numbers are used for storing the data and program language which are developed to run the computer वो सारी लैंग्वेज हमारी बाइनरी सिस्टम नंबर में होती है तो द ऑब्जेक्टिव ऑफ प्रेजेंट लेक्चर्स जो मेन पॉइंट्स हैं तो इन दिस लेक्चर वी शुड कवर to learn about various type of numbering system, study of conversion of binary number to decimal number and decimal number to binary number. Okay. Last, let first define the numbering system. The numbering system are two type. दो तरह के numbering system होते हैं. Non position number system जिसमें position define नहीं होती, किसी भी digit की position define नहीं होती है. Second is that is position number system जहाँ पर हर digit की position define होती है. That means non-position number system are those which do not involve the bit corresponding to each position or digit in the number. That is the normal Roman number system is its common examples. While the positional number system, in positional number system there are only few symbols known as digit. It is particular numbers, bit, digit have different values depending on their position. Its value depends upon the following consideration. एक तो डिजिट अपने आप कहाँ पर है उसकी वैल्यू डिपेंड करती है पोजीशन ऑफ डिजिट द बेस ऑफ द नंबर नाउ टाइप्स ऑफ पोजीशन नंबर सिस्टम कितने तरह के पोजीशन नंबर सिस्टम होते हैं तो दे आर 9 नंबर्स वी जनरली यूज फर्स्ट इज यूनिनरी सेकंड बाइनरी थर्ड टर्नरी क्यूनरी पेंटनरी ऑक्टल डेसिमल duodecimal and hexadecimals they have different base radix and symbols as is on its slides. Of the main purpose of this lecture is to study decimal number system and binary number system. Decimal number system, it is the number system having the base or radix 10. It has 10 and digit in integer part, m digit in its fractional part, and that can be represented by a equation that is given here: dn n की power 10 की power n minus 1 plus dn minus 10 की power n minus 2, dn 10 की power 0 and so on, d की power minus d minus m 10 की power minus m. While in binary number system which have only two digits 0 and 1 having the radix 2, it has the integer parts integer parts and fractional part m, so it can be represented as dn to n की power minus 1 dn minus 1 to n की power minus 2 dn 2 की power 0 dn minus 1 to m to minus 1 and so on. Now the main purpose of this lecture is to convert how we convert the binary number into decimal number and decimal number into binary number. First, binary number into decimal number. An integer decimal number, for example, it is d10. D10 means it is decimal number having the base 10, which can be represented in binary form as dn, dn to n minus 1, dn minus 1 to the power n minus 2, dn to the power 0, and so on. Now, here the question is how to convert binary number into decimal number. So, for suppose we have 1100 dot 001 number, so it has like this as shown in slide. So we can here convert this binary number into decimal by taking the power of 2's. So first, starting from right to left, it is 0 into the power 0, 0 into 2 to the power 1, 1 into 2 to the power 2, and 2 into 2 to the power 3. So here, after the fractional part, it is 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power minus 2, 2 to the power minus 3. So it is, if we solve this, we find 12.12510. So it can easily be converted to decimal number. Now conversion of decimal number to binary number. So let us consider integer decimal number d10, which can be represented by the equation given here. So that the following four steps can be used to convert an integer number from base 10 to the base value to full binary number. First, divide the decimal number to be converted by the new base radix. In here, in the case of binary, it is 2. Second step, record the remainder from first as an LSD in the least significant digit of the new base number. And step third, divide the remaining for the previous divide by new base. Fourth, record the remainder from step 3 of the next digit to the left end of the new number. Repeat 3 and 4 steps, recording reminders from right to left until the quotient becomes 0 in step 3. The last reminder thus often will be most significant digit MST of the new base number. It can be here can be understood by taking some example. For example, we convert if we want to convert 121 into binary number. So take step first and second. Here 121 divided by 2, as it has to be converted to binary. So we find 60 and remainder 1. Again 60 divided by 2, we find 30, remainder 0. Again 30 by 2, 15, 0, and so on until or unless we find the 0 as remaining and remainder 1. Now take MST to LST. So we find 1 1 1 1 0 0 0 and 2. The examples for fractional part. In fractional part, if we want to convert it into binary number, we multiply the given fractional value by 2. For example, if we take 5625 to be converted to binary, so take it 5.5625 multiplied by 2, we find 1.1250. Here, the part before the fractional 1 is bits. Second, the fractional part is again multiplied by 2. We find 0.2500. It is 0 bits. So again 0.2500 multiply again by 2. We find 0.5000 and 0.5000 multiplied by 2 find it. This so in this type we can change the fractional part of decimal number into binary number by multiplying by 2. The example third, convert a binary number into decimal number. The solution here is given again. For example, if we take 1100.001 or 1101.001, it can be converted as shown in figure, and we have repeated it in example number 1. Okay. Conclusions. From this lecture, it is concluded that we have learned from this lecture about various type of numbering system. We can convert decimal number into binary number, conversion of binary number into decimal number, and so on. Here, the main conclusion is that the binary is the more important question, more important binary system, as it is used in computer programming, where computer programming and developing the high level language and machine language, uh, which can computer understand. Okay. uh, so from this lecture, we have we have a vast knowledge about conversion of binary to decimal number to binary number, and number of type of binary, number type of numbering system. Okay, thanks. If you have any question, you can go on.